One owner 2022 Chevy Trax all-wheel drive LT that we sold new here and also serviced. This was traded in towards a new Trax and has gone through our shop with just the normal maintenance items done, such as oil change and tire rotation. This low-mileage Trax is equipped with leather interior, heated seats, remote start, side blind zone alert, keyless push-button start, power driver seat, cruise control, and more. This great car can be seen at Elkland Chevrolet 505 East Main Street, Elkland, Pennsylvania. Please call 814-258-7127 or reach out to us with the Contact Us form with any questions.